Okay, so we are recording now. So I was just checking in my CapCut कि मैं record हो रही हूँ कि नहीं. We are getting bougier here. I have my whole, that podcast movement, solo podcast movement. I definitely want to show you guys कि ऐसे video film कैसे होते हैं. It's a complicated setup, at least for me. But I am going to see कि ये जो sound effect इससे आ रहा है वो कैसे आ रहा है. I'm testing a lot of mic these days. So because we are focusing on commentary here. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I think, first of all, my makeup is looking too pink. I don't know what to feel about it, but let's just roll with it. और मेरी बार बार नजर ना रिकॉर्डर पे जा रही है, पता नहीं क्यों, क्या करूं मैं इसका. बट लेट्स जस्ट रोल विद इट. आई हैव द इंटरनल माइक, आई हैव द एक्सटर्नल माइक, वी आर गुड टू गो. सो या लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो आज के इस वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाली हूँ द राइज ऑफ सेल्फ केयर ऑब्सेशन वी कैन से, और सेल्फ केयर कल्ट. I'm going to talk everything in this video about the massive increase in self-care reels, videos we can say, and we are going to talk a lot about that in this video. So let's get started. So आजकल मेरी feed पे, I don't know about you, but it's all about self-care. I don't know why it is like that. First it was the clean makeup trend, and most of you guys commented like you are already a clean girl. So I don't know, I jumped on that train, but right now I think मैं किसी ट्रेंड को फॉलो नहीं करना चाह रही हूँ. I am kind of over the trend. मुझे लगता है जब तक एक ट्रेंड आता है ना, उसके वीडियो मैं बनाने जाऊंगी ना तो अगला ट्रेंड आ जाएगा. So there is no point in chasing trend, and it always will lack creativity. What do you guys? We can make. What do you guys think? We can make a separate. I can make a separate video about it. The lack of creativity and all. But here I'm talking about the massive hauls जो आजकल देखने मिल रहे हैं regarding skincare.
Self-care shopping at Target yesterday, and I think I must have blocked out there because I spent almost $200. So let's do a haul. I was here.
एक ब्यूटी ब्लॉगर एक प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू करेगी, अगले दिन वो किसी और को दिखा रही होगी, एंड इट इज the volume of those components, like packages. I'm like, तुम इसे use कब कर रहे हो? Like I get a lot of PR and I get it that you get a lot of stuff, but when you are continuously showing, I want to insert some reels here. So if I get it, I will insert here like crazy stuff. Massive IKEA drawers filled with skincare, the bubble bath, the body washes, the even candles, like massive increase in all these self-care products. And essentially brand क्या sell करना चाह रही हूँ तुमको is that you can buy self-care, which is impossible. You can't buy self-care, period. You can't buy it. So आजकल क्या हो रहा है, ये ब्रांड्स तुम्हें ऐसा दिखाना चाह रही हैं कि you buy my bubble bath, or let's say you buy this scrub or that, and there is no end to it. There is no end to it. Every day you will get कि आज इस बॉडी लोशन में नियासिनामाइड है, कल उस बॉडी वॉश में सैलिसिलिक एसिड है, फिर कुछ है, नेवर एंडिंग एक साइकिल है. एंड यू can make out that you can't use that many products. Even I get a lot of gifts, free stuff by brands. और मैं सोचती हूँ यार ये खत्म हो जाए तो मैं कुछ शॉपिंग करूंगी, बट उसके बाद फिर कुछ और आ जाता है. लाइक टुडे आई एम रिव्यूइंग दिस, ये पूरी हेयर किट है, शैम्पू, हेयर मास्क एंड द सीरम. आई ओनली लाइक द हेयर मास्क टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट वो आ जाएगा. मुझे अभी फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन में आई विल टेल यू I only like that hair mask, which was very hydrating. But मुझे मैंने एक शैम्पू खुद परचेज किया है, वो मैं अभी तक यूज नहीं कर पाई. And it is a very good shampoo. Like my family, my mummy was liking that shampoo. मैंने नहीं यूज कर पाई जबकि मैंने इससे परचेज किया था. So it's not affecting only you, but as a creator, like मेरा एक फेस है, उस पर मैं कितने प्रोडक्ट लगा सकती हूँ. Similarly, मैं अपने हेयर वॉश कितनी बार कर सकती हूँ? It's not practically possible to, wash these big, like lengthy hairs on a daily basis. Not very practical. So I want to say that when you see these massive pure hauls, and not only that, these creators are going to, let's say, a Nykaa store or any Sephora store, and they are buying pink skincare one day, and another day some other color, maybe a black. Yeah, I saw that, and a white. I saw that, and green. Also, I saw that, and I was like, what do you mean by that? See, this generation already, the Gen Z are, हमें सबसे लोनली जनरेशन बोला जा रहा है, हमें सबसे एंशियस और डिप्रेस्ड जनरेशन बोला जा रहा है, एंड दीज companies are trying to milking on that. It's just that, shopping will not resolve your issues. Trust me, it will not, and it will not fix anything. I saw a video of a girl who she was, these kind of hauls, or let's say shower routines are getting massive, views, and it's a 3-hour shower routine, and I'm like, किसके पास इतना टाइम है? किसके पास इतना टाइम है? It's very, problematic, I will say. See, there is nothing harmful in cleanliness. उससे हमेशा अच्छा ही होता है. Even I don't feel good till I take a bath, and if I'm sweating, though, if I'm having, the smelly hairs, or I get it. The hygiene part, I get it. But beyond that, इतने अजीब से, trends set करना. Like, किसके पास इतना टाइम है कि वो ये सब कर पाए? And you will see that these brands are trying to, sell you an idea that you can buy skincare from a shelf. That will never happen. That will never happen. Nobody on the internet will talk about real self-care. Real self-care, I tell you what, is making money. Yes, it's not spending money, it's making money. जब बैंक अकाउंट में 0 बढ़ने लगते हैं ना, you feel confident. You feel confident. तुम कैसे भी दिख रहे हो, but you will feel confident. You will feel good about yourself. You will have that, standard. You will feel a difference. But buying expensive, luxurious self-care products and whatnot, bubble bath and whatnot, will do nothing. Another self-care, I tell you, is working on your personal projects. We can make a very separate video about to actually, take care of yourself. AI का ज़माना है. The more skilled you are, the more techy you are, the more confident you will feel of getting a job, getting a good pay, getting a high pay salary. And once you start getting that, you will automatically feel confidence. तुम कैसे भी दिखते हो ना, तुम्हें अपने आप डिफरेंस समझ में आएगा. तुम में और सामने वाले में जो बहुत गुड लुकिंग हो सकता है, मे बी अ वेरी लीन गर्ल, but she's not independent. What do you mean? That's what I mean. And I think this should be promoted. Nobody's talking about that. पैसे खत्म करने से ना कभी भी सेल्फ केयर होने नहीं वाली है. It's going to give you more anxiety. When you will see your bank balance, at the month of end. Instead, save all the money, invest. I'm not saying compromise on your cleanliness. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the over consumption of these products. So products पड़े रहते हैं, pile up होते रहते हैं, expire हो जाते हैं. There is no use of it because at one time we need one body wash, one body lotion, one good fragrance, one of everything is more than enough. More than enough. I'm telling you. You will not be able to finish it. You will not be able to finish it, and it will get expired, or your bank account, your bank balance will cry. Okay, another self-care is hitting the gym or doing any kind of activity. Any kind of physical activity is proven, and when you do workout of any sort, even walking हो गया, jogging हो गया, या gym is the best, I will suggest you. It will really clinically cure your mental health issues. Trust me, you will not feel anxious, depressed, or whatsoever. It is a true self-care, proven clinically that it will release hormones that will give you a good mood. Yes. So, bachaye, instead of shopping, we should focus on ourselves, the actual self-care. I mean, so, but these products won't tell you the benefit of working out. Why they will tell you? They want you to believe कि ना स्किन केयर एक शेल्फ पे पड़ा है, खरीद लो उसको. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. Actual self-care is meditation, journaling. Are these brands telling you that? No. Are these influencers telling you that? No. There are some influencers जो specifically इन चीजों के बारे में बात करते हैं, but not in beauty space. You will not find them in beauty space because beauty space का मतलब मुझे अभी तक यही समझ में आया. You have to make very aesthetic videos. You have to go viral ones, and then balle you want to just promote stuff. Every day you will come and sell a new thing. Even I have done that. It's good for the influencer. Definitely उनकी mental health अच्छी हो रही होगी because their bank balance is increasing. But is it good for you? तुम बस ये सोचते रहोगे कि ये प्रोडक्ट मैं खरीद लूं, then I will feel good. ये मैं खरीद लूं, then I will feel good. Oh, I need this treatment, that treatment. This will fix my issue. It won't. It won't. So think about it once. First it was all that narrative or of clean girl, aesthetic, we can say, जिसने पूरा जो narrative था shift कर दिया from that extreme, that Instagram baddie, we can say, or whatsoever, that heavy, full glam look. It was replaced by clean girl makeup. Then we can talk about it, the problems with clean girl aesthetic, in a separate video. But then it came to the massive uptick in the searches. The algorithm is pushing you that narrative of self-care. Again, I'm not saying that you should not be hygienic. Like hygiene, yeah, it will, play a role in your mental health. A little bit, maybe 5%. But the rest, which are the things I mentioned, hitting the gym, doing meditation, journaling, working on your skills, and making good paycheck. This will fix your issues. Definitely. Try it for 1 month. Let me know whether it helped or not. I am very sure it will help you. क्योंकि मैं खुद उस दौर से गुजर चुकी हूँ. मैं खुद चाहती थी जब मैं जेफरी स्टार, मैनी वुमे, and that James, I'm even forgetting their names now, Laura, the big names, and that I have grown up seeing massive IKEA drawers filled with makeup. Now it's time for you. Now you are getting old by seeing the massive IKEA drawer filled with self-care products. That's it. That's the only difference. Now the focus is on different things, but it is still the same consumering, overconsumption. The internet is filled with that. You will rarely see on your feed, although I see these days, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत कुछ चीजों को not interested किया, तब मेरी feed clean हुई है. In terms of YouTube, I'm getting good recommendation, तभी मुझे भी ये ideas आ रहे हैं. They are coming from good people, good influencer. They're trying to influence in a good way. See, influencing is not a problem, but what they are influencing, it's a problem. ये लोग कभी भी जो big names मैंने दिए हैं, they are almost gone. They are not relevant anymore. But there are other new names स्पेशली इन इंडिया आजकल मैं देख रही हूँ people who I used to love, but now when I see them every day, 3 or 4 reels promoting different self-care products, I'm like, are you really using it? No, I don't think so they are using it. But the problem is that the जो उनके ऑडियंस है वो देखेंगे, वो तो यही सोचेंगे ना, आई नीड ऑल दीज प्रोडक्ट्स टू लुक फील गुड एंड to have a self care. And if I'm not buying इतने सारे products, I'm not doing self care. मैं अपनी केयर नहीं कर रही हूँ, फिर कमाने का फायदा ही क्या हुआ? It happens. It has happened with me for that time period जब मैं ये बड़े बड़े ब्यूटी गुरुज को देखती थी और मुझे लगता था मैं भी इनके जैसे बन जाऊं. So I need to shop continuously. I need to buy every new release makeup, the every new release product I have to buy. I'm so over it. Now, मेरे चैनल पे वो massive hauls नहीं दिख रहे होंगे जो पहले दिखते होंगे. I used to do that, but now I know I'm very over these, massive hauls, massive. Every now and then there will be a new product, there will be a new trend, and I'm over it. I'm really over it. And now I want to. Now I don't feel that urge कि मुझे भी एक famous beauty guru बनना है या मुझे ये ही करना है. I will find my own way to get good views, get nice subscribers. I will find my own way, and I feel like all the new content creators should focus on building their own niche. Don't follow the trends. Yes, don't follow the trends. Make your own trend. Do something which, जो बाकी beauty gurus नहीं कर रहे हैं. You can do that. I have seen some channel, they are showing journaling also. They are showing, the artistic side of themselves, and they are including skincare also. They are showing productivity vlogs also. It's very nice. It's very nice to see some creators in beauty space. They are changing. But what I want to say, it's like, हर वीडियो ही कोई हॉल हो जरूरी नहीं है. इट्स लाइक राइट नाउ माई फीड इज फिल्ड विद नायका रिकमेंडेशंस एंड आई एम लाइक, इवन आई वाज टेम्प्टेड, इवन जानवी कपूर मेरी फीड में हर 2 मिनट बाद आ जाती है. सीरियसली जो भी मैं लॉन्ग वीडियोस देख रही हूँ, शी इज all the time in my, जो एड चलते रहते हैं उसमें आ रही है वो. एंड इवन आई वाज टेम्प्टेड, आई वेंट टू नायका एंड आई वाज लाइक, should I buy this body wash? Should I buy this shampoo? And I was like, जो है उसे तो पहले यूज कर लो. So I have shopped nothing. I have shopped just the essential for me. Nothing much. Nykaa Pink Friday sale से मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लिया, which is a very shocking thing because Nykaa Pink Friday sale होगी तो मुझे कुछ लेना ही है, because that I'm telling you ना, Janhvi Kapoor every 2 minutes she is on my feed that it's 60% off. And honestly, it is 50% off, 60% off is there, but I'm like, do I need this? Or should I use the one and try to use up the one which I have? So MT's video I'm trying to upload that one. बहुत टाइम पहले फिल्म हो गया था वो, and you will see a massive MT coming maybe this week at the time I'm shooting this video, and you will get so much idea कि जो भी प्रोडक्ट मुझे PR में मिले, there were a lot of PR MTs. You will see that मुझे कौन से प्रोडक्ट अच्छे लगे, which product किसी प्रोडक्ट को पूरा यूज करने के बाद ही उसका जेन्युइन रिव्यू दिया जा सकता है कि वो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा था भी कि नहीं था. सो यू शुड डेफिनेटली चेक आउट MT's वीडियो इंस्टेड ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन. और MT's वीडियो बहुत कम लोग करते हैं. कमेंट डाउन बिलो कितने ब्यूटी ब्लॉगर MT's वीडियो करते हैं. MT's आर वेरी एसेंशियल. कोई प्रोडक्ट परचेज करना और उसको एक बार यूज करना, उसकी बजाय उसको पूरा empty out करना, that shows that I was really interested in this product. So you should definitely check for beauty bloggers that are showing you not just haul but empties. So that's what I will suggest you. And we need to change this beauty space. I think There is so much creativity that can be involved instead of just sale recommendation videos or haul videos. जिससे मेरी feed, भरी हुई है इस समय, and I'm like literally watching them and I'm like, thumbnail देख के ही मैंने कुछ क्लिक नहीं किया, because the moment I'm by the way a preview member of Nykaa, so I get sale एक दिन पहले ही सेल आ जाती है. So एक दिन पहले ही सेल का पता पड़ जाता है कि इसमें क्या सेल पे है क्या नहीं है. There were so many 50% off, buy one get one, and I always get tempted, but this time I was not, because it takes forever to empty out a product. Even the basic like shampoo, conditioner, moisturizer, the body lotion, anything, the body wash take forever to use up. So I was like, should I buy it? Should I? And I still now the sale is going on. I'm not tempted. And there is a huge difference in, mentality wise, ideology wise of Anshu of 2014-15 era and 2024 era. It's a huge difference. And that time I used to immediately use up my money in makeup and skincare immediately. But now I'm so much, जब इतना सारा, वो कहते हैं ना, आती हो जाती जब किसी देखती, जब मैंने इतना सारा PR मुझे रिसीव होता है, so automatically I'm like, I don't need to buy anything. I don't think so. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Do let me know what are your thoughts about the massive hauls, the massive PR hauls and whatnot, and overconsumption, the promotion of overconsumption on the internet space. We can make so many part of this video, but in a nutshell, I would like to say self-care products will not solve your issue. The actual self-care practice will solve your issue. So with that said, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye bye.